Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm excited to do something new. We'll do a little battle here, and it's old versus new. So here's new, there's old, and it's EV versus ICE engine. So ICE, not ICE engine, you know what I mean. Old V8 versus EV, like the Tesla. And we'll see which car warms up the cabin the fastest. I know that sounds kind of silly, but with all the talk that's going on about EVs not being good, the heater's not good in the cold, we'll see what happens. No, I give you, it is not that cold right now. I can't do this outside because the outside it's wet, and there's a lot of snow still, but it's wet now, and the temperatures went up a lot, so not good conditions to do this. Inside of the garage, it's currently 44 degrees, which is not really cold, but still cold enough to do this test. And after all, we just do it for fun, you know, there's not a scientific test. Now let's see how we do this. I have a little thermometer, I put it in here, and this one reads 44 degrees, and the one at Tesla reads 46 degrees, and that's just because those thermometers aren't the best quality. So we'll have to remember that 2 degrees more for the Tesla and 2 less for the town car. The Tesla, I can turn it on my phone with my Tesla phone app, and I have my phone in my hand and ready, and the town car will climb in it, and we will start the car just now. And the Tesla is not started yet. It's just when I opened the phone app it reacted. All right, let's get in the town car, and what I'm gonna do is I'll turn the heater on full blast, so the highest temperature. I'll close the windows, and I will turn the fan up as well. Alright, let's see what we got here. Fan is up, and the heat is set at 90 degrees on both sides. Windows up. Alright, this one runs. Now let's hurry and get the phone app out. Here's my Tesla app, and we'll turn the defrost car on. That means the temperature goes on high. There we go, and everything is on except for the car seats. I'm gonna turn those off. Okay, I'm gonna turn the steering wheel off as well, so it's fair, so it's a fair comparison. Now the Tesla still has the windows open. I'm gonna go close the windows, okay? And then I'll go inside, we'll come back out and we'll check on the result. Let's go close the windows. Look at that, they closed by themselves. I approached the car and they closed by themselves, which that's a Tesla feature, and I'm not sure if it was a coincidence that it did it when I approached the car, or if that is how it's designed. I do know though that when you forget to close your windows, they close by themselves after a while, so that's probably what happened. Anyways, let those guys run. Let's say we'll set a timer for, what should we do? Should we do 15 minutes? What do you guys think? Let's do a timer for 15 minutes. Alright, here it is. Start. And there we go. I did the second time on an accident. There you go, 15 minutes. Okay, timer's on. 15 minutes. We'll come back and we'll see what cabin is the warmest. I think I know the answer, but we'll find out. Alright? The cars are still warming up, hopefully inside too. You can hear the Tesla make some funny Tesla sounds. That's what it sounds like when the heater is on. The town car just purrs along. So while I'm patiently waiting on this, here is a thing I want to tell you. I first of all want to thank everyone again for watching my channel and watching my videos. And there's one thing I noticed when I got monetized. A lot more subscribers followed all of a sudden, but they mostly watch the newer videos. There's a lot of older videos that are pretty good that are not being watched, so please do me a favor, watch some of my older videos as well. And a lot of people are not subscribed at all. Even the watch times go up, you know, so, and the viewer times go up too. So please subscribe if you haven't done that. That would be great. And a comment, leave a comment if you want to, that's always good. And yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like the video. If you don't like the videos, of course, please tell me why you don't like them. That's alright too, you know. I like to hear that as well. And then there's a donate button. And no, I don't make anyone donate, but if you want to, you can try it out. I added it because YouTube offers it, and YouTube wants you to add that, and I looked at it. You can donate like I think you can even donate like 50 cents or $1 or $2. It's a little silly, but yeah, just so you know, do whatever you want to do. But thank you for watching my channel. So let's go back in here and see what's going on. All right, and here we are. Here's the result. Let's go look. So I would say, since the Lincoln is a little older, we'll give him a break and we'll check the Tesla first, and we'll let the Lincoln run while we do that. Let's get in here. We'll turn the music down. And what do we have here? 74, now 75 degrees. Okay, 75 degrees in the Tesla. We have the defrost on, and I'm gonna turn that off right now, so the Tesla is all right. And get out. 75 degrees. Get in the Lincoln Town Car. And it is nice and warm in here too. And we have 63 degrees. Okay. Now remember, the Tesla showed 2 degrees more than the town car. So 75 is what we said, so we would say minus 2 is 73 degrees versus 63 degrees. So the Tesla is the winner. EV temperatures 10 degrees warmer than in a normal ICE vehicle in good old V8. Also, gotta consider though, it's new technology in an EV, you know. This is old technology, and yeah, that's why. So next time we'll check the Tesla and we'll test it versus the Ford Explorer. It's a modern vehicle, 2020 Explorer with the 3-liter twin turbo EcoBoost engine, and we'll see what that brings. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Wish you a wonderful night. So hang in there, subscribe, watch my videos, and have fun. See you soon.